Nothing brings more warmth to a room than a blazing fire and a cozy place to enjoy drinks. Our Moscow Mule Bar is a twist on a classic drink that everyone will enjoy. For a festive mocktail option, we are serving a sparkling cherry limeade. Our Moscow Mule cups come in 3 colors, gold, silver, and bronze, and we love mixing them together. Decorate your fireside bar with a selection of glass pumpkins, placing one on a vintage riser with a wreath of bittersweet vine, and then surrounded by all the makings for these special drinks. For making Moscow Mules, your guests may choose their own garnishes. We selected limes and pomegranate seeds for a festive look. Large maraschino cherries and fresh mint are the perfect addition to our sparkling cherry limeade. Send guests home with a gift mug and recipes. We hope these tips and ideas help you bring in autumn's abundant bounty of golden hues and vivid color to your home this season. And from all of us at Southern Living, we wish each and every one of you a joyful harvest season.